Hello, Ian here from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to delete text in Google Docs for iOS on your iPhone. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is the iOS app for Google Docs. I'm going to open a file, and it's a letter, and I'm going to delete some text. There's two ways to delete text, two basic, easy ways to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is just to tap right ahead of the text that I want to delete, in this case, New York. And you can see the cursor pops up. I'm just going to use the back delete button on the keyboard, and then I'm going to type NY. Whoops, NY, fat fingers. There's another way to delete text. Instead of using the delete key, you select text and then you cut it. So I'm going to hold down my finger on the part of this link, and you can see it selects part of it, and you'll see two handles on either side. I'm going to drag the lower right corner handle so it covers all of this text, and then I'm going to just click cut. Technically that's not deleting it, it's basically putting it on your clipboard, but it's disappeared from this particular letter, and now this is all set to go. Once you're done, be sure to tap the check mark in the upper left corner. That will save the changes that you've just deleted. And